We got the old Ultrafly Ultimate put back together. She's glued up pretty good. We glued her up. Well, she busted in half there once or twice, and there too once or twice. She's been busted in half about 5. How many was that? 5, 6 times. And we just glued that motor in today. We're not sure if she'll stay in there, but we're gonna give her a try. You have that camera on me?
The camera's on.
Junior Flysman here for Baggerworm International Airport. We welcome all flyers at Baggerworm International Airport, as long as you bring your cage. Here we go. Now keep that there camera on the keep the video on the plane, so if something happens, the folks out there in plane land can see it.
I'll do my best.
Why don't it run? Can I put this on low rate?
Yeah, no.
Okay, here we go. The engine don't crank. What the hell's wrong with her? Too much